Hey skincare lovers, ready to quench your skin's thirst? Meet the 4X The Hydration Pack. This fantastic bundle is your ultimate solution to combat dryness and restore your skin's natural glow. It's like a tall glass of water for your face. Inside you'll find the daily hydrating moisturizer, perfect for that all-day fresh feel. Next we have the Hyaluronic Acid Repair Serum, a powerhouse for deep hydration and plumping your skin. Then there's the Advanced Night Recovery Cream. It works its magic while you sleep. And last but not least, the Botanical Hydrating Face Mist, a refreshing pick-me-up anytime, anywhere. These 4 products work together like a dream team, giving you lasting hydration and a healthy-looking glow. It's the ultimate gift for yourself or any skincare enthusiast in your life. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to radiant, hydrated skin. Grab your 4X The Hydration Pack today and transform your skincare routine.